What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are making a low-calorie tortilla wrap slash wrap pizza. And with this, you can do any wrap you want, any cheese, any toppings. So I'm using pepperoni on this. You can use plain. You can put veg on it. It's up to you. So what you need a wrap slash tortilla. You need your topping, pepperoni for me, and you need cheese. You can grate the cheese if you want, but I prefer to slice it. And then you also need some mixed herbs. And you need passata or tomato puree, and you need a tray and an oven. You need to preheat the oven a bit before you start. So you're going to put your wrap in your tray so it's less messy. You don't want to do it on the chopping board, because when you move it to the tray, it might be really messy and spill everywhere. So you want to pour your passata on your wrap. You can put as much passatas on as you want. You can put a lot, you can put a little bit, and you need to spread it out with a knife, with a spoon, to make sure like it goes as far as you can to the corner, but not that far, so you can actually eat it. If you want to slice it up like a normal pizza, you want to be able to get like the crust. Next thing you want to do is put your cheese on. You can see here I've sliced cheese because it makes less mess, but you could grate it if you want to. And the next thing you want to do is get your topping, or if you want a plain, you don't have to put topping on, but I'm putting pepperoni on. And you can either put veg on if you want to. You're going to spread things out a bit here, as you can see. And next you want to get your mixed herbs and just sprinkle a bit on. You can sprinkle as much. For any ingredients, you can use as much as you want, basically. Next thing you want to put it in the oven. I can say like 180 or 160. And say 10 minutes. 10 minutes in the oven. That's how long I put mine in for, to make sure it's nice and crispy. Like as you can see here, it's nice and crispy. All the cheese is melted. This pepperoni is going a bit crispy around the edges. You want to make sure it's like that. And you just see it. And this is your final product. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. This really supports my channel out. This is low in calories and very healthy to eat. So please make sure to like and subscribe, as I need support. Comment your thoughts as well. And I hope you all have a good day. Goodbye.